ground. Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor in the southern run-up bay. Receive Quebec. Runway 31 left for an upwind departure to Ballarat. Request taxi clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Moorabbin ground. Taxi via Bravo, cross runway 35 left, 35 right and 22 to holding point Bravo 3, runway 31 left.
Taxi via Bravo, crossing 35 left, 35 right and 22 to holding point Bravo 3, runway 31 left, Bravo Sierra Victor. Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, ready 31 left for an upwind departure to Ballarat.
Bravo Sierra Victor, roger, line up, be ready for immediate.
Lining up, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Speeds alive. Temperatures and pressures, we got revs. 55, 60.
Micro X-ray, can roll through after landing, clear to land.
Clear to land and roll through by Romeo space.
So I'm going to make a call 10 miles for Point Cook.
Point Cook traffic, Papa Warrior Whiskey Hotel Alpha is clear from my 04 for Delta. Point Cook.
Whiskey Kilo Delta, all shoot OCTA.
Whiskey Kilo Delta, thanks.
And I'm not broadcasting on Melbourne Centre. Point Cook traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, 10 miles to the east at 2,500, overflying Point Cook for Avalon and Ballarat. Point Cook.
Qantas 6116 visual from my side.
We got the coastal area, Tango Charlie Kilo seaplane, we're taking Mexico, Williams down, not about 1,000 feet, or traffic Williams down, and coastal area.
Qantas 6116, roger, when ready you can check to join the right circuit runway 36 and clear the visual approach.
Ready for the right, cleared for the right circuit 36, cleared for visual approach, Qantas 6116.
Okay. Avalon approach, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor approaching Point Cook at 2,500 on climb to 3,500 overflying Avalon for Ballarat.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Avalon approach, copy, transiting at on climb to 3,500.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Qantas 6116, just confirm clear to land.
Qantas 6116, confirming 36, clear to land.
36 clear to land, thanks, Qantas 6116.
Hey, that's Ian, whether that was him speaking, but he's in the, there he is, in the A330 landing on runway 36 at Avalon.
Qantas 6116, we just want to taxi back to the holding point and do a crew change about 5 minutes.
6160, roger, via Alpha to holding point, Alpha 36.
Okay, right on to, was it Charlie then, Alpha to the holding point, Qantas 6116.
6116, when you do get going, do you want left or right circuits?
Right circuits, please, 6116.
6116.
Turning right. Right over the top of the A330. Ballarat traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor 5 miles to the southeast at 3,400 on descent. I'll be joining crosswind runway 23, Ballarat. Ballarat traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor overhead the field at 3,000, descending on the dead side to join crosswind runway 23, Ballarat. Ballarat traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor joining crosswind runway 23, Ballarat. Okay, so 23. Power. Ballarat traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor turning downwind runway 23, Ballarat. Brakes, undercarriage, mixture mast mags, running lights on, temperatures and pressures are in the green, hatches and harnesses are secure. Knots. $1,500. Back. Stage. Stages. Ballarat traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor, turning base, runway 23, Ballarat.
Ballarat traffic, Cessna 172 with Golf Charlie, clear for all runways, Ballarat.
Ballarat traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor turning final runway 23, Ballarat. Final stage. at 14. 25 knots. Five power